Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be making a DIY soft lounge long sleeve dress. This trendy design kicks off day 2 of my What I Made to Wear series, and it doesn't look like this popular design will die down anytime soon. Everyone is selling these dresses and they are not cheap, so how about making one yourself? You can get this sewing pattern completely free when you join the Socialites Sew Members Area waitlist, as we will be relaunching this Friday, December 27th, and you will want to hold your spot. Subscribe to my channel right now, give this video a thumbs up, and let's get all the way into it. I'm now going to lay my pattern out, and where it says cut on the fold, okay guys, so now the full dress is cut all the way out. This is an example of how both the pattern looked and the dress looked after I cut it out onto the fold. So that's how long the dress is, and that's the pattern. So I have 2 pieces now. I'm gonna go ahead and start sewing. You're gonna line everything up and then you're going to start pinning. So you guys can now see the dress coming together. Look. Okay, so I still have to add my sleeves to the dress, but this is what it looks like on my mannequin. It actually is perfect, like perfect. So we got to add the sleeves. We have to also hem the neckline, and then we also have to also hem the bottom of the dress. But if you look at the sides, all of that, everything looks good. I gotta pull that down some in the back. But look at what that looks like from the back. That looks amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish that up. So before I add the sleeves onto the dress, I'm going to hem the bottom of the edge of the dress to finish off that edge so it looks nice and clean. And I'm just gonna do that just like this by hemming, folding over once, folding over twice, and pinning, and that's how that edge is going to look. And then I'm gonna do the same thing for the neckline. And then I'm going to go ahead and take it to my sewing machine so that both of those bottom pieces are hemmed. And then we're going to add on our sleeve. Okay, so both sleeves are done and they are hemmed. So now I'm going to add the sleeves to the dress, and then we will be all done. And just like that, the dress is done. The sleeves are attached, the tag is in there, and we got length. So we got our soft long sleeve lounge dress. So I'm gonna go try that on.